What does this sound mean? This is a safety feature. How to resolve it? Turn off first. Look at this lever. Ensure the lever is in the backward position. Turn on again, cheek it down. It is used to switch between different modes. Pull the brake handle backward. It is in electric mode. Turn on the scooter and you can drive it. And you can't move it. When push the brake handle forward, it is in manual mode. And you can push the scooter with your hands. If the problem remains, please try the above steps more times patiently. If it still isn't resolved, please repeat it while recording a 30-second video of the abnormal sound. Then send the video to our email. We will promptly arrange a replacement for you once we confirm the issue. Thank you so much.